If you want to install Dynamic Island on Nothing Phone 3, then first of all we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to get the Dynamic Island. So we're gonna search for Dynamic Spot. This is an example app that we can use that provides the Dynamic Island. Of course, feel free to try any other app if you don't like this one for some reason, but I'm gonna show you how to set this one up. Let's open it. We need to go through several things before we can use this app, but it is really easy to set up. So we're gonna press next. The first thing that we can do is go to select apps, and we can choose apps that will be synchronized with the Dynamic Island that will be displayed on the island when you receive a notification. So I'm just gonna select all. However, you can choose individually which apps should be displayed on Dynamic Island. Then we need to select notification access, wait a couple of seconds, go to Dynamic Spot as is it highlighted, and then we're gonna allow notification access. Press allow. Then we need to allow draw on screen. Press allow and then tap again on the draw screen and then press next. Wait a couple of seconds, go to Dynamic Spot and enable it and press allow. And over here we can now press done. If you see this premium offer, we can just close it by pressing X in the top right corner, and the app is pretty much ready to go. However, I can also recommend you going to the position settings in order to see how the Dynamic Island looks like. I prefer to usually make it a little bit bigger and match it with the size of the front camera. So we're gonna move it up a little bit. Let's see if we can center it. And if you like how I set it up, then of course you can copy these values. I'm gonna also make it wider a little bit, maybe even more. There we go. And of course vertically we can also increase the size. I think it looks good. Maybe I need to move it a little bit up. And there we go. So this is my example quick setup. Feel free to copy it if you want to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.